one thing I learned from MS and other people that I've seen lead also, you cannot make everyone happy all the time. This is the absolute truth. And why that happens is because certain individuals will not buy into the intensity of what you're saying immediately. So they try to find their own comfortable ways, which you have to ignore because the vision is priority. It's not saying कि मैं ऐसे चलाने वाला हूँ. नहीं, मुझे responsibility दी गई है. ये plan है. क्योंकि ये plan मुझे लगता है कि हमें टॉप पे पहुंचाएगी. अब ये हमारा पाथ है. अब किसी को आपने बोलना है भागो, तो किसी को आप बोल सकते हो चल भाई उठ के भागो. किसी को आप समझाओगे या नहीं करेंगे ना तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. इतना टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे. We are not making the most of our time. You eventually want to enjoy yourself. All these small things matter. Get that guy around in a different way. But the goal is the same. He has to run. He has to run. लेकिन ये नहीं आप बोल सकते कि मैं तो नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे पहुँचने के लिए कोई दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पांचवा, 6 लोग आपसे 10 गुना मेहनत करने को रेडी हैं. No shame in accepting that I have made many mistakes when I was a captain. But the one thing I know for sure that I never did anything for my own selfish motives. That I can take guarantee of that from day one to the last day. कि मैंने एक भी काम वहाँ पे अपने लिए नहीं किया. मेरा एक ही गोल था कि टीम को कैसे आगे लेके जाना है. उसमें आपने डिसीजन सही लिया कि नहीं, I can totally accept it. You make mistakes, like you make errors when you play, you get out. That's a failure. Failures will keep happening. But intent was never in the wrong place. So I can absolutely take guarantee of that. और जब तक वो आपका सही जगह पे है, you will make mistakes, but you will learn from them. As I said, you will not then start shying away from making mistakes. So मेरी नीयत हमेशा सही थी. तरीका जैसे मैंने आपको बोला वो ट्वीक करना पड़ता है लोगों के हिसाब से. डिसीजंस काफी बार गलत भी हुए और वो चीजें आपको सिखाती हैं बहुत कुछ. Or then you start taking it as the whole journey and what went well, what didn't go right, and then you learn from all situations. So that's exactly what happened to me.